today I'm going to show you what is like putty and not and scented. So first, here's my lava slime. It's totally like lava. And in the sunlight, it turns orange. But at my house, in the shade, it turns red. So I'm going to show you it turning red. Let's go. So now I am just walking and see guys, it's red. So, and there's a little lemon inside. I'm going to show you all of them. So guys, give me a second. Okay? Guys, Dad, you can talk to me.
Hi, I'm Dad.
Daddy, you have to say, hi, my name's Braxton.
Hi, I'm Braxton.
You can talk to us.
I was out of here in no time.
And don't worry about my sister. Dad, come on, I'm doing a video.
I'm Dad.
And I got my first one. So I'm just going to put them in the bag. And that's my sister opening up the fridge. Little bit. So I'm going to put...
Hey, no more snacks. We're going to In-N-Out.
I'm really ready to go.
No snacks. We're going to eat. When you guys are hungry for food, we're going to go to In-N-Out and eat dinner.
I'm just hungry.
You want to go now?
Yeah.
Elyse?
Just fix the fridge.
You're not hungry yet?
No.
We're waiting for Elyse to be hungry, and then we're going. So just keep being hungry. Keep that hunger.
You're supposed to be watching the fight.
It's on pause. Look, it's commercial.
Your kids are getting freaking so big. Oh my.
Oh no. That keeps happening. Look at this gray. Dad, this is actually your second time how like waiting.
You're going to fall off like that.
I don't know what Daddy is. Dad, why do you like way?
So you're going to fall.
Riley, when did you TikTok?
All right, bye. That's enough. I'm done. If you don't want to be on camera, go. That's what I thought. Throw this away from me.
Whoa, I thought you meant...
Have you pooped yet? All those blackberries out? Your poop's going to be black. Hey, I actually think I'm going to throw all that away because look at all the little beads everywhere.
No.
What did I tell you where you could play with them at?
On this?
Yeah, and where are you playing with them right now?
I'm taking...
Look at all the beads all over, Elyse. What did I tell you? Get the beads on top of that now. Don't play with them anymore other than on top of that. If I see one more bead on the ground, I'm throwing it all away again. I'm done with it. I told you guys you had a chance with slime, and you're blowing it.
I didn't play with that. Only this one.
I know you didn't. That
But
just
this
means
one
you don't like
doesn't
slime
make
that much. It means we don't need to get slime.
I stopped playing with it because I didn't want to make it humongous now. And I didn't want
Hey, pick up all the little beads.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, hey, he's just been burning tin for a year. He's like, I'm different now. I was like, that's tight. Not yet. Like, that's pretty much when I went to bed last night, and then me and the girls have been just doing shit all day. Oh, yeah, listen to this. Me and the...
Elyse stayed up late. Elyse stayed up late.
Yeah, but pewter is like, it burns faster, huh?
Well, I was in the bed. Second, Dad was in the bed.
But, hey, being just swole all the time as hard as a rock. You'd never, it'd be like feeling nothing though. You'd...
Hey guys, look at this slime. And Bobby, show them how you blow a bubble.
Me and the girls,
So,
we have
blow a bubble.
a movie. We were gonna go watch the new Mario this morning. I'm looking around the house. I can't find my keys. I start yelling at the girls. I'm like, where are my keys? Like, where are they? I remember last night
And I'm gonna
I got a new dongle so that we can listen to music in my truck. Yeah, truck's dead, completely key, just in the ignition, turned on, just not
look
like
at this.
running, but on, you know. Truck's
Wait,
100%
guys, can I put
dead.
my
There's no
hand on
cars near me
it?
to jump me. I was like,
Okay,
oh
so,
my god.
Violet,
Nearest
let's hold it.
AutoZone, 0.4 miles. I was
Okay,
like,
so I'm gonna
walking
put my
AutoZone
hand.
carrying a battery bag. Hey,
Violet,
I didn't
so
think that carrying
so
a
now
battery
you
half a mile
put
was
your
gonna be a big
throw
deal,
on
but
my.
a 60-pound battery
Violet,
adds
and
up
so
after a
I'm
half
gonna
mile.
do this.
Dude.
I'm gonna put my
Carrying
hand
it
here. And wait, first let me get
So
it
good,
ready.
and it was
Okay?
all corroded and nasty.
Okay, let
So I
me
had to
put-
like clean out
Okay,
everything
Val,
and
now
change
you.
everything all
Val, I'm
corroded.
ready. Val, I'm ready. Okay, now you blow, and my hand will be inside the bubble. Sorry.
It wouldn't just make it
No,
like
actually do it. Like blow it.
it just seems
Okay,
like it would like make it
blow
look like a mess. Terrible.
Okay.
Alright, this fight's about to be absolutely easy. I gotta watch it. Alright, look at that.
Guys, I'm gonna. So Violet, put your hand. If I put one of your hand, okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do the coolest thing ever. So I'm gonna make 2 bubbles. So I'm gonna take the slime off. I'm gonna get my slime, and I'm going to.
Oh, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Easter.
What? Wait. No, it isn't. Look.
Yeah, you guys didn't mark off yesterday. You're supposed to.
Let's mark off.
There's your thing right there. Yeah, and we'll look at tomorrow.
What?
Look at tomorrow. What's tomorrow?
Happy Easter! 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 We should leave out some Easter trees.
We should.
Yeah, what's the Easter tree?
Carrots. We got carrots in the fridge, but we don't leave them out until later tonight.
Woo! Yeah. Easter tomorrow! Easter tomorrow! We need come on me. Violet! Don't pause my video. Easter tomorrow! We need come on. Okay, so now
He's at a rodeo right now. Where they ride bulls and stuff.
why is she there without us? We love that place, right, Violet? Never even visited. Yes, we have. Have you ever been bullied? Huh? That's where they are. They're bullied. Whoa, those 2. Whoa. When is it? This is a bubble. But let me. Right. Okay. So now you guys will look at this. Look at this. Look how cool this is. You want to see something cool right there? Look how smooth. Look how smooth these 2 are. Smooth. Like waxy smooth. I want one of those. I'm gonna show them what. Guys, this is the carnival. I'm gonna show them what slime has the best texture. So that's why I'm closing them. Okay, guys. First, we're gonna put these away. Like Violet, put these away. Violet, when you're done, put it away, okay? Cause we're gonna see which one is next. So she made the gray color, and it's not gray. Now look, Elyse, this one has red. I know, cause it's from this one. Oh, yeah. Sometimes I mix it. Okay, Violet, we need that slime. But we need that slime to show them which one's sticky or not. Okay, so we're gonna start for tiny ones. First, let me put in a big one. So can I go first to show them which one's? No, I'm gonna my youngest to oldest. So I before on YouTube. She's rude. No, I'm not. I'm gonna choose watermelon, grape, blueberry, cherry, and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6. So let's go for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Violet, did you get 5? Violet. Who's on you? 6. This is 6. Okay, now. So now what? Wait, what's the other one? Okay, so now I'm gonna show first. Okay, so here's my honey. Well, look how foamy it is. So look how foamy this is. Oh, this one has a good texture on the top. Well, this one has a good texture. See how it's sticky. It's kind of like honey, but it has good texture. I found a tiny piece of foam. That's clay. So it's kind of good to like mush around. So I think this one is totally pink and like that's not. I think I'm gonna hang on to this one. That means I'm gonna keep this one. So we'll look like this. Oh, it smells so good. I smell cherry. Okay. Ugh, disgusting. This smells like banana. And this one has a really putty texture again, but it has a nice texture. Guys. Valley, they don't have to want to go. Look at this, guys. It doesn't look so weird. Look, that's not blood. That's lava slime. She's I'm actually bleeding. No. Daddy, Elyse, pretend that she's bleeding.
It's okay, it's fine.
I'm bleeding.
Oh, my poor baby.
Pretend I actually am.
My baby! We gotta get her to a hospital, her bloody hand.
It's slime.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so, and yes, and Violet, it's not your turn yet. It's my turn. Okay. I'm gonna mix in that. Look, I got an extra honeybee. How are you gonna leave me? Violet, that was cold. Guys, look at this one. So the one time, look at this beauty, guys. My diamond! Okay, and here's watermelon. That's your last watermelon. Look at it. I hate watermelon. Then I'm not gonna give you the watermelon. Yeah. Okay, so look at these buildings. It's my turn. It's my Violet. I only have that 1, 2, 3. Silly. And here's blueberry is the best. Guys, look at this one. Guys, look at this. Okay, and the next I'm gonna do wait. Okay. This is good. Let's see how the texture is. Ooh, that's a nice. Oh my goodness, Elyse, did you put too much in this one? No? Yeah. He did. Or didn't? She did. I'm not the one that put slime in it. And the last one I got. Oh wait. This one smells so good. Smell this one. You like blue? Violet is it blue? Okay, so that's the raining dance. I'm Elyse's, this is the video stops now.